In this video, I've got a quick review. Oh, I'm terrible at French, I'm really sorry. Damoiseau Les Oranges, the mango and passion fruit. Have a look at that. It's a rum all the way from Guadeloupe in the Caribbean. I'm going to tell you all about it after this. Hey there, I'm Steve the Barman, and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite spirits. I am so excited about today's rum. It's not a spiced rum, it's a flavoured rum. Massive shout out, massive thank you to Jazz and Chet from Skylark Spirits. I better give Peter a shout out as well. Jazz is the guy I speak to quite a lot. He sent me this. Thank you so much. Now, this is a flavoured rum. It's Damoiseau is the brand. Les Oranges is how you say it. I'm terrible at French. Is kind of the extension. Damoiseau is a rum agricole from Guadeloupe in the Caribbean. It's the French Caribbean. So the base rum of this is Rum Agricole. Now, caveat, I am not a huge fan. In fact, I'll say it, I have not found a Rum Agricole that I actually like. It doesn't really sit well with my palate. The big difference between rum and Rum Agricole, rum is distilled from molasses, whereas Rum Agricole is distilled from the sugar cane juice. So big difference in styles, but I love, if you watch my videos you'll know that I've got a really fruity palate, so I can't wait to test this. This is a 30%er. Okay, so and I'm assured it's not kind of sweet liqueur. There's a bit of added sugar obviously from the fruit as well, but they're classing this as a rum-based spirit drink. So 30%. Now the cool thing I found out, and this is Chet that's emailed this over to me. Every single bit of, I don't know whether you can see it, mango. There's loads of different. Let's try and get it closer to the camera. Loads of different bits of sliced mango and passion fruit is hand filled in the bottle, but not only that, it's actually grown on the island of Guadeloupe, so everything is native to the island. They have been making these for quite a few years now, but it's Skylark Spirits that have brought these over to the UK as of last year. And Skylark, I've already done one of their rums. They Black Tears. So that's one of their other products that they kind of market in the UK. So I'm really looking forward to that, and not much I can really tell you more about that other than the price. Now it's a little bit expensive, but if it's anything like the Black Tears, which was roughly about the same price, then I would actually say it's worth it. This is £35 if you have trade accounts. I think Amazon it was 35 when I looked last night before I did the video, but I think actually normal list price is just under the £40, so very expensive, but I love my fruity stuff, I really do. So I cannot wait to whip this open and give it a taste. Right, what does this smell like? Well, as soon as I took the cap off, the fruit just came and exploded in my face. It smells so amazing. Only really smells I'm getting off it, I'll be honest, are the kind of passion fruit and the mango. Smells very fruity. I'll be honest, even on the nose, I'm struggling to pick out rum. Just no spices. I'm not really getting any spices off there. It's just purely juicy. I'd say it's really hard to say what comes out first. I was going to say the mango comes out first and then the passion fruit comes out afterwards, but every little sniff you have is just a different. I can't wait. I'm going to taste it. Right, what does this taste like? You can see the little face. Let's try and get it really close up on there. You've got bits of vanilla in there, you've got mango, and you've got passion fruit. So if you're one of these people that really doesn't like bits, avoid it. However, wow, 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 that is absolutely delicious. Sweetness scale, let's go. I don't, do you know what, I did the pineapple DMF in the last video, and even though that's a 37.5%er, and I gave that a 3, I don't think that's actually as sweet. Oh, because of the rum that kicks through now, that I'm actually going to give that a 2. A 2 out of 5 on the sweetness scale, which is really confusing because that actually tastes stronger than the DMF pineapple at 37.5%. That's only 30% ABV. But boy, you get the rum. It's obviously the sugar, the lack of sugar that's going on in this. I tell you, I could ignore the price. I could drink that all flipping day long. I've already got daiquiris going through my head. Right, what does it taste like? So I get rum. Let's not detract from that. I get rum there, but it is equally balanced out with the fruit. There's no other complexity going on there. Yes, there's a subtle hint of vanilla there now. If that wasn't as expensive, I would, and it's only 35 quid. It's not going to break the bank too much, but I would just go through so much of that. I cannot give that. And I'm not just saying that because they've sent me the bottle. I'm saying that because what I said to them, that sounds right up my street. I love my fruity stuff, especially when it's not over sweet, especially when it's proper. And that is proper. Mango Passion Fruit Flavoured Rum. There's no mistaking that that is a rum. Bit of vanilla. Boy, I cannot wait to have a little play about with this. Really, really can't. Right, gang, how can you best enjoy that as a cocktail? I can't stop shaking it. I love the fruit. As a cocktail or as a simple highball, I promise you now, I'm so excited about this. I promise you now, if you invest £35 in that, you are not gonna be disappointed if you like your fruity stuff. Absolutely amazing. I've got a daiquiri there. I'll tell you about the daiquiri in a minute. Highballs, simple highballs. This for me is all about. I loved it. Oh my God, absolutely loved that subtle hint of ginger ale just bouncing on that. Really, absolutely love that combination. Ginger ale, really good. Second place for me, again, pineapple, just a fun, fruity punch. So pineapple, it's Fentiman's Tropical Soda. Hasn't got the sweetness in there, just perfectly balanced. It's a fun, fruity punch. Really love that. What else we got? Ginger beer again. I liked it. I did like it. It's just the feistiness of the ginger kind of took away the edge from the liquid there. A stunning drink, really lovely drink, but just took the edge, the emphasis away from that liquid. And I really think when you're paying that for that, you want that to shine through. A couple of other things. The pineapple soda, again, hasn't got the sweetness. A little bit of cardamom in there, so just kind of a really lovely drink. For me though, that kind of just edged it. Simply there. And then lemonades. Your lemonades are going to work a treat with that. Again, I'll say I personally prefer the more sort of traditional style of lemonades. This is Franklin's & Sons lemonade with a hint of elderflower. If you're a 7-Up or a Sprite kind of person, yes, you are going to absolutely love it. And the final thing I did try, and I've left the bottle over there, stupidly, when Chet emailed me this morning, he said one of their favourite serves to recommend is kind of a Bellini, which is essentially Cava, Prosecco, whatever. That does, I had a tiny little bit left over from the weekend. It was frizzante, so it wasn't overly gassy. And yeah, that did work. Those stunning drinks. Oh my God. I'm that bottle. The one thing Chet did say to me, I don't know where I saw it actually. I don't know whether he said, I'm looking at my notes. I don't think it was him, or whether it was on the little bit of point of sale that they sent to me as well. They recommend that you drink it within 2 months of opening, simply because of the fruit in there. If that lasts longer than this week, I'll be amazed. And I think that is going to be one of those that when you open, it ain't gonna, like, you're not just gonna have a little tipple here and then another little tipple in a couple of weeks. You are going to enjoy that. That is just amazing. Daiquiri time. Oh, I love that. Interestingly, I normally do, if you watch my Dead Man's Fingers pineapple in the previous video, I kind of do my daiquiri, especially with fruity stuff, a kind of 2-1-1 ratio. So 2 parts rum, 1 part lime, 1 part sugar. For me, actually, even though that's not as sweet as Dead Man's Fingers pineapple, I actually had to put less sugar in that. So I've gone 2-1-1/2. So 2 parts rum, 1 part lime, 1/2 a part sugar. Daiquiris are all about your personal taste, okay? So the sugar and lime ratio, that is just amazing. For me, I'd actually go as my top pick is to serve. And daiquiris are so easy to make, so easy. Guys, Jazz, Chet, P, and is it Indy? I'm really sorry. I should know that. Cracking product. I love agencies that find absolute gems. And considering this is from Guadeloupe, French Caribbean, amazing. Now, to go on to the next theme, I have no idea how that's going to compare, but in the next video, I'm going for a bit of rum bongo.